Hello, World Wide Web. We are back working on the meat wagon finally. I've pretty much waited all winter to fool with it. It's February something now, and I'm finally starting to mess with it. You know, I take good care of the old girl. A lot of maintenance, you know. But anyways, we've got a really big race coming in April 13th at London Dragaway. We're trying to throw a 64 car count stick shift race. It's going to pay out like $14,000 or more. And we're at this moment in time like 31 cars right now, so it's probably gonna happen, and there's gonna be some bad rides there. So we gotta get the old wagon rolling, and it don't really make a whole lot of power. The motor is nothing crazy, and we got a 200 shot on it right now, and I'm gonna put another 100 to it. We're gonna have to have it, especially on the front side surface. Right now it's got regular old head bolts in it, so I got some head studs we're going to toss in a minute. But before I do all that, I'm going to run a compression test through it. Our last race, December 30th at Newport, I noticed there was some sparks flying out the back of it, some shit falling off, and a little bit of smoke. I found the smoke. I believe we had an intake gasket leak. There was water getting on the back of the block. Hopefully that's that. But I'm gonna try to find where all them metal pieces come from. Hopefully it ain't some pistons. Nah, I think it's just some shit fell off, bolts or whatnot. But anyhow, before I pull head bolts, I'm gonna do a compression test, make sure it's happy. And if it is, I'll just do one stud at a time. Then we're gonna load this thing up, take it to Rob Collins. We're gonna put it on the dyno, do a good motor tune-up. I've already tuned this thing myself. I think it's all right, clean. However, he's got an AFR gauge, and I just got a screwdriver. So we're gonna get it nice and happy, then spray the 200, and then try the 300. If it picks up another 100 horsepower or something, I'll leave the 300 in it, but I don't want to beat on it for no reason. I really don't want to go spend another bunch of money on a motor, because obviously YouTube ain't paying enough. So we're gonna run this thing out as long as we can. But yeah, let's do a compression test, see what happens. So far so good. All the plugs turned out all right. They all got tips. They all look like a good tune-up. So let's turn this thing over. I got my handy dandy compression gauge in there on the cylinder number 1. So wish me luck. Here we go. Turn this some bitch. Okay, I heard a woof. See what we got. Alright, that didn't turn over fast enough. Redo. I'm gonna go up here and put a charger on it and hope for the best. Okay, I guess that's what happens. You let them sit all winter. Let's put this thing on the hell yeah mode. Give her a minute and try again. Yeah, we've been charging about 20 minutes now. See what she do. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Hell yeah. 150. Lot better. Phew. That had me a little worried. That's alright. Come on, 150. They all gonna be 150. She fresh still. Been running this motor about 4 years now. So that's a good sign so far. There we go, cylinder number 2. 2. Go ahead. I'll just pull this and back out. Put it in this and see if that's gauge still reading right. Because this one just read 150. I'm 60. There, I got her back in the number 1 hole. We'll just make sure that it ain't the gauge. You know, get rid of all the variables. See what she do. Yeah, I got more right time. Ooh. Yeah, we'll try number 2 one more time. Hopefully it was a mess up, but I doubt it. Get a little extra. Shit! Yeah, so we definitely got either a bent valve or burnt valve or a ring or something. I don't think a piston's hurt because the plugs, they all got tips on them. They all look good. So I noticed it was wanting to run away just a little bit. But I'll continue the compression test for just shits and giggles, but that cylinder is hurt. Something going on, but we'll knock her down, pull it out. I got a brand new block sitting over here. We was building Dad a 393 for his Ranger. Sorry, Pat, but if the block's hurt, I'm gonna use yours, which I don't see it being that. Like I said, let's go ahead and tear this thing down and get at it. We're racing April 13th, so here we go. Well, went ahead and done all 8. As you can tell, I'm stressed out. I saved y'all the agony of watching me cry and my dignity. Here's the results. Number 2 is screwed. We got 160. Hang on, let me switch this. Number 1 was 160, 260, 3 140, 4 135, 5 180, 6 165, 7 170, 8 180. Everything looking pretty sharp. But at number 2, yeah, I'm hoping she just got a bent valve or something. I noticed it was wanting to run away, but that cylinder scarred up. The head looks real good behind it. Yes, give me the red. Bump it. Alright. This one looks good on top of it.
When I tapped that intake, that damn thing was on the car. It shouldn't have got under it like that.
Well, it looks like it's lifted the head. You can see the head gasket's messed up and been burnt through. And on the block, on cylinder 1. Cylinder 2 don't look that bad. 4 had water in it, so we had all kinds of problems. But we'll go ahead, pull the thing apart, re-ring it, run a hone through it, and just get it freshened up for race season. So until next time. If anyone would like to buy some food stamps, now on sale for 50 cents on the dollar.